You're our crab brothers, and I am so proud of you. Yeah, me too.
Animal is a friend of mine, from the tip of his nose to his body behind. All the friends that we met today are special in their own way. We've all got different names, but we're really all the same. Thanks for dropping by.
We got to care.
These animals are friends of mine. They jump and swim, crawl, fly and climb. One more thing we have to say.
So make the animal friend today. Yeah!